Now, using MIS, the required textbook for this part of the course, the 2013 6th edition. First assigned reading is Chapter 1, Section Q1 through Q4. MIS stands for Management Information Systems. The book goes through in this section telling you why MIS may be the most important course in any business school curriculum. And I would ask you guys to think about, why would a course on Management Information Systems be the most useful course at Kelley? And I'm inclined to agree with that statement, that it is. Having a master's degree in MIS, I think it's very important and for any business. Here are some reasons why. Due to the cost of data communications and data storage being essentially zero, companies all over the world are collecting massive amounts of information and data about their customers' behavior, about their online activity, about everything. A Kelley School of Student graduate has to be able to know what to do with that data to make more informed decisions about the future strategic direction of the company. Businesses everywhere depend on information systems to do everything, from hiring employees to managing inventory to predicting customer behavior. And since information systems and technology are an integral part of every business, a person studying business needs to have a strong foundation in those concepts and those tools. Information systems must be managed and used effectively to help organizations achieve their competitive strategies. This is why this course is required. This is also why the K-201 course is not just about databases and spreadsheets. It's also about strategic use of information systems. Hence the 1 credit hour, 1/3 of your grade coming from this portion of the course. Now, what is an information system? Chapter 1 defines this in a very easy to understand 5-component model. Every information system, no matter what the size or what the complexity is made up of these 5 components: hardware, software, data, procedures, and people. Now, the more complex or the bigger the actual information system, you may have more hardware components. You may have more software components. You will have a lot more data, and perhaps more advanced and complex procedures, and of course more people to run and manage the system. But they all still consist of these 5 components. Now, this diagram here talks about the various actors that make up an information system. Those actors are the hardware, the web servers, the computers, the keyboards, the monitors, the things that the actual information system uses, routers, and the people. Those are the 2 actors in the information system. Instructions is the second category that make up these components. The software is the instructions to tell the hardware what to do. Think of your operating system on your computer, for example. The procedures are the instructions for the people, and tell the people how to work the system, how to export the data, how to run a query. You'll learn more about those terms in lab as well. The bridge that connects the computer side to the human side is the data. And information systems are producing this data to help the people make better decisions. The bottom part of the diagram talks about the automation, moving from the human side to the computer side. Again, the hardware and software are basically automated things. As you get more into the procedures and the people, that is the human side. These 5 components from left to right are in fact organized in the degree of difficulty it is to change them. Hardware being the easiest of the 5 components to change. You just unplug it and plugs a new one in. Software being slightly more complicated, and so on and so forth. People being the most difficult to change in any information system. As business majors or minors or future employees of some company, you'll find that people are the most difficult to change. They are resistant, they get set in their ways, and it takes more time to train them, because people, we make mistakes. The last part of the assigned reading talks more about what the difference between information systems and information technology are. Information technology are the actual hardware and the software and the data, the actual components, the technology. Technology is what drives the creation and development of new information systems. So this kind of works out if we were to take technology and add to that the procedures and people. That's what an information system consists of. So it's much more broader than just technology. Information systems include those procedures, those policies, those instruction manuals, and the people that run and use that information that an information system produces. The key thing here is that you cannot actually purchase an information system. You can purchase all the technology that you need, the hardware and the software and the data, but you cannot really purchase procedures or people. So if the question arises, can you buy an information system? The answer is always going to be no. You cannot. You must have your employees become trained. You can't really buy them trained already. Even with outsourcing, right? You're still going to be purchasing the technology, and you're still going to have to develop procedures to incorporate that technology with your business practice. So you cannot buy IS, but you can buy information technology.